Namaste. Phrasal verbs for all exams. In this video, we will discuss the following: call after, call around, call at, and call away. Watch until the end. Call after. To give a child the same name as someone else.
Their first son, Sonu, is called after the father's favorite singer.
Excellent. Call around. To phone different people or places for information. To invite someone for a visit, especially by calling them on the telephone. Or to go to a place to see someone.
You need to call around to find the best price.
Fantastic.
Robin called her around for dinner.
Wow.
I called around yesterday, but she wasn't in.
Excellent. Call at. To stop at a place for a short time. Ship, train, bus, etc.
The ship called at the island.
Fantastic. Call away. To ask someone to stop what they are doing and to go somewhere else urgently.
She was called away to a meeting with the chairman.
Great. You did well. See you soon. Take care.